Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is Application of Derivatives. This is an important chapter. The radius r of a right circular cone is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, and the height h is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When r equal to 9 centimeter and h equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of its volume. First, on seeing this question, first you have to check whether the unit is same. Unit is same. Here centimeter, and here centimeter per minute. So on seeing this, the rate, this is 3 centimeter per minute. So differentiation it is given. The radius r of a right circular cone is decreasing at the rate of. So what is given? Radius r. So dr by dt. dr by dt equal to, what is it? That is dt. So minute is given, therefore dr by dt it is equal to 3 centimeter per minute. And next one more thing, what is given? And the height h is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So dh by dt equal to 2 centimeter per minute. Then next it is asked to find when r equal to and one more thing, r equal to 9 centimeter and h equal to 6 centimeter. It is asked to find the rate of change of its volume. It is asked to find the rate of change of its volume. So first let V be the volume of the cone. Let V be the volume of the cone. So what is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone is V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here it is asked to find the rate of change of its volume. Rate of change of its volume. So what you have to find? dV by dt. dV by dt. Rate of change of its volume. So 1 by 3 pi is a constant. Here what are the variables? R and h. So 1 by 3 pi you have to take outside. 1 by 3 pi. Next, here r square h. So uv. So first I keep r square as constant and h, differentiation of h is dh by dt plus, now you keep h as constant, differentiation of r square. So that is 2r into dr by dt. 2r into dr by dt. Now here it is given, that is rate of change of volume, that is dV by dt at r equal to 9 centimeter and h equal to 6 centimeter. So that is equal to 1 by 3 pi and r square. R equal to 9 9s are 81. And what is dh by dt? That is equal to 2 centimeter plus here 2 into r. That is r is 9 centimeter. 2 into r is 9 centimeter. Into h is 6 centimeter. Into what is dr by dt? That is 3 centimeter. So what do you get? 1 by 3 pi. So first this one 81 into 2. So 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 into 9 into 6 into 3. So 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are 36. And 36 9s are 6 9s are 54, 4, 5, 3 9s are 27, 5 32, 324, 324. Next you have to add. 1 by 3 pi. Here again one more thing is missing. Here we are given, that is decreasing at the rate of, that is dr by dt is decreasing. Therefore it is minus 3 centimeter per minute. So here dr by dt, here it is minus 324. Here it is minus 324. So once is 324 minus 162 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is, here sign is minus. So 1 by 3 pi into minus 162. We have to check whether there is divisible by 3. That is 8 plus 2, 10. Therefore, it's not divisible by 3. So 1 by 3 pi 1 centimeter. That is you have to divide. That is you have to divide what you get. 5 3s are 15. 1 6 7. 7 plus 2 9. Sorry. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12. Therefore, minus 54 pi and volume. Therefore, it is cubic unit. Therefore, what is centimeter cube per minute? So, rate, that is centimeter cube per minute. So, dV by dt equal to minus 54 pi centimeter cube per minute. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.